are here again with a little pressure washing and gutter cleaning job. This beautiful home behind me. Check it out, got a lot of debris. Not only that, but also algae growth. And then we'll be doing some gutter cleaning on the house. Now, just over a year ago, I had actually pressure washed the driveway front to back, gotten rid of all the leaves and debris and also all the moss and algae. And you can see how quickly it's grown back. Now this is 1 year's growth. And what the homeowner is doing is she wants it gone because the moss actually, you can see there, turns your driveway into dirt. And so that dirt is what is the result of the roots breaking down the rocks, breaking down the grit and the cement, and just turning it into dirt, which actually just causes it to weaken and crack. So we're going to take care of that today. Get a better idea as far as what's on here. So we got a bunch of algae and a bunch of moss growing up all around the edges.